Beautiful.
Beautiful.
What a beautiful dress. Ugly.
Ugly.
That chair looks ugly. Long.
Long.
This road is long. Short.
Short.
He wrote a short note. Heavy.
Heavy.
The box is heavy. Light.
Light.
This bag is light. Sharp.
Sharp.
Be careful, the knife is sharp. Soft.
Soft.
This pillow is soft. Hard.
Hard.
The ground is hard. Round.
Round.
The ball is round. Square.
Square.
I bought a square table. Flat.
Flat.
The floor is flat. Thin.
Thin.
She is thin and tall. Thick.
Thick.
The book is thick. Smooth.
Smooth.
Her skin is smooth. Rough.
Rough.
The rock feels rough. Clean.
Clean.
My shirt is clean. Messy.
Messy.
His room is messy. Colorful.
Colorful.
I love colorful flowers. Plain.
Plain.
I wore a plain white shirt.